Welcome to a short video on how to reset the license in iQ-VIEW. This is necessary if you update the version and a new license is required. You do not need a new license after every update. If the update requires a new license, you will be informed of this at the start of the installation. Cancel the installation of the update and reset the license first. Then carry out the update as usual and request a new license. So that you can continue to work during the time in which the new license is requested, you will have a 30-day trial license after the update. This ensures that there are no interruptions to your workflow. Another use case would be if you replace the hardware of your computer and this replacement leads to a change in the MAC address of the computer. This changes the fingerprint and you will then need a new license. In this case, please also carry out the next steps to reset the license in advance. Open iQ-VIEW. Navigate to the settings at the top right and then to License. Click on Reset License on the right. Click on Yes, Deactivate. Now copy the path from the message in which you find the deactivation file. Paste the path into your File Explorer. You will now find the deactivation file for your license. Please send this as an attachment when you request a new license. Thank you for your attention.